Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel, Selfless Academy. This video about the 12 tenses arranged in a clear, structured format. Here it is, the 12 tenses of English. The 4 present tenses. 1. Present simple, for example, I study, use, for facts, habits, and schedules. Examples, that is my phone. Fact. He studies every day. Habit. On weekends we play soccer. Schedule. 2. Present continuous, for example, I am studying. Use. For actions happening right now. Examples, you are watching this video. I am speaking on camera. An airplane is flying through the sky. 3. Present perfect, for example, I have studied. Use. To connect a past action to the present, describing experience or current status. Examples, I have studied English for 3 years, my experience up to now. She has eaten breakfast already. They have never been to Mexico. 4. Present perfect continuous, for example, I have been studying. Use. For an action that started in the past and continues non-stop to the present. Emphasizes duration. Examples, I have been studying Spanish for 8 years. Started 8 years ago, still studying. He has been sleeping for 12 hours. They have been traveling for 5 weeks. 2. The 4 past tenses. 1. Past simple, for example, I studied. Use. For an action that started and finished in the past. Examples, she worked last night. He ate eggs for breakfast. I lived in Chicago when I was a child. 2. Past continuous, for example, I was studying. Use. To give context background for another past action, shows an action in progress. Examples, I was studying when the phone rang. We were living in Canada when we got engaged. He was running when he caught the ball. 3. Past perfect, for example, I had studied. Use. To show that one past action happened before another past action, provides earlier context. Examples, Sarah had already left by the time he got home. Left before. Buy, I, buy.